5 reasons you need a fresh start. How are things going for you? No, really, how are things going? If you hesitated in answering, it might be time to take a closer look at this article. After all, we all need fresh starts from time to time, especially when we find we're dissatisfied and unhappy in our lives. Don't believe it? Then check out these statements and see if any of them sound like you. You feel like a failure. Are things not going well in your life? Has it been a while since you've experienced anything which even looks remotely like success? If so, cheer up. This isn't about failure. It's about chasing the wrong goals. You're perfectly capable of success when you're in the right place at the right time. Everything is dragging. If progress is feeling slow, and every day you're either thinking, standing still, or at best, moving forward in inches, not miles, it might be because you're ready for a change. What is no longer challenging you in your life? Are you holding yourself back? When was the last time you fed an impulse? We all get those odd desires that doing a certain thing makes all the sense in the world. We're energetic, enthusiastic, and we cannot wait to jump in and get started. If this feeling seems alien to you right now, your excitement meter has run out. It's time for a change. You're anxious all the time. Anxiety is a lot of worry turned inward. What is it you're afraid of? How is your life giving you too much stress and too little reward? What needs to be resolved so you can feel more relaxed and confident about the future? You feel bogged down. Your feet are dragging because you're hauling a lot of baggage from the past right along with you. If your self-talk is full of chatter about mistakes you've made in the past, if you're forever apologizing for things you never did, which you feel responsible for all the same, you need a fresh start, if only to let go of the past. If you found more things resonating on this list than you expected, it might be time to consider making a fresh start in your life. Don't be dismayed, though. This is an exciting place to be, where you get to plan the next steps and decide for yourself just what you want your life to look like. The key here is to take this knowledge, do something about it, and not just sit on it and hope things will get better. You need to act if you expect to succeed.